Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Polkawallet application. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable dark mode on Polkawallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. The home page of Polkawallet will appear on the screen. Click on Settings option at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of Polkawallet's account. Click on Preferences. On the next page, slide the slider of dark theme to the right side to turn it on. This is how you can enable dark mode on Polkawallet application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.